This is an overview of the Asifa 3 site. On the right hand side here is the fence. We have 3 zones running from the laboratory. This is the header trench with 3 zones running all the way up back fence. Then the KISS material runs across to the cool room with collector lines alongside the roadway, past the shed, the loading dock, and finishing back up in the corner. Cutting the pipe to length, push on the spin lock, make sure it's all the way in, then turn the spin lock until it's very tight, then pull back the KISS material to cover the connection. That's a header connection and backfill. Putting the T-fitting together with O-rings, which is going to the cube.
We need just a little bit more. We push. Ready? Everyone push.
Yeah. Push. Okay, go. Go down the okay.
Good.
And then screw the locking fitting over to make the seal, which then will point back to where the cube's going. This is the KISS cube without the cover. At this end here is the Mazzy liquid injector system, which will be able to feed liquid fertilizer into the solenoids. Looking from the top view, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 solenoids. Underneath the bottom here, we have a master valve, isolation valve, water meter, and then the elbow going down to the mainline connection.
Good.
On the top here, that's where the KISS controller will sit to run the whole irrigation.
Okay, now we have everything square. The bottom water meter to the master valve is square. We are lined up in position with our main supply. We are going to pack and lift the frame up so that all pipe work goes under and comes up into the frame. Once we have done that, once we have our connection with our 90, we will push the T forward. We put to the pipe, and then we slot, tighten. Then for the side elbows, we can pull this pipe. We can pull out and slot in, and opposite side we do the same.
And then connect to the water at the back last.
Connect the water at the back last. No, connect the water at the back has to be first.
First.
This one, yeah, this one.
Oh, no, we'll go, yeah, that one, and then the T off this one. Yeah, that will be a spare.
Asifa 3, the area is now being levelled and all the trenches are being filled at the back where the collectors go.
No.
Then the levelling machine is levelling out the sand again in preparation for the turf. Up here is zone 1, that will go on first. Then this is zone 2 between the cool room and that building, and zone 3 is the end, plus all the trees all the way around. As you can see, there's the cube and back right up to the end. This stake here with the yellow wire is the mark where the moisture sensor goes, and the wire goes back to the cube. That moisture sensor is buried about 25 centimetres between 2 lines, and when it's all hooked up, that'll override the controller if there's enough moisture in the sand. What the team is doing here, we've got 2 teams under shade making up rings for the trees. 2 rings are going around the tree frame, and each ring gives out 7 litres per metre per hour. Then you can see the line has been run out in the sand out there so we can pull it in.
What we do is we make sure the tape is on that corner, tape on that corner. Could you tape for me?
Tape.
tape on that corner. That's it. So that when we come out, then we create a curve. Find to the middle.
Just tape those.
And we just do a tape. Do a tape just here. That's it. And just check. We check. No kink. No kink. Beautiful.
This is the spindle that we use to undo pipe so that one man can do the unwinding without causing kinks in the pipe.